Childhood. It's often difficult to remember early childhood in detail. It's hidden behind later reconstructions of what it was like. Maybe it's only after childhood is gone that you have the ability to think about it with the subtlety it deserves. Think back to your childhood. What was it like meeting the elements of rock and water, tree and sky for the first time? Adults like to believe that childhood is a time of innocence and wonder, of endless possibilities and magical powers. Is that the way children experience it? Is there one uniform set of experiences? In the next week, we'll examine a theorist who denies there is any such thing as childhood. And we'll analyse another theorist who denies there's any such thing as children's literature. But it's hard to deny that children have a sense of wonder. They're drawn to the light of the fire, they feel its heat. They gaze in astonishment at the colours of the sunset. They realise perhaps for the first time that we share this earth with a multitude of creatures. And they look up and see the limitless universe revealed in the night sky. The first thing we have to do is seek out a relationship between childhood and literature for children and young adults. Our starting point is to be able to understand the complexity of the texts. They're not as simple as they may seem and require close reading and detailed attention. We need to have critical terms and approaches to discuss them with insight. We'll need to understand the necessity of relating text and illustration, which both produce meanings that may be divergent. We'll have to look at literary scholarship in the field. And we'll have to understand that texts partake of a range of social attitudes and debates. We should expect to see issues such as multiculturalism, class, gender, sexuality, and of course Indigenous experiences and Indigenous creative responses. So stay engaged, make sure you've access to a range of primary texts, pay attention to assessment and plan with purpose. See you on discussion boards and of course in the quizzes. Bye for now.